May 5th, 2024. Orlando. A routine traffic stop. Do not enter sign. No license. Refused every command. 3 felony charges later, it was anything but routine.
Parking lot.
5810 Raleigh Street. Driver, lower the window. Driver, lower the window. Lower the window all the way down. Morning. How you doing? You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, ma'am? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Golf 47 Connecticut, a couple for rest.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay.
so you touch
Step
me.
out. Step on out. Step on out.
No.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her. Y'all better leave me alone. Because I didn't do nothing. I don't got
It's not on. It's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting. Because you're resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the
nothing
car.
wrong. Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. And I don't
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Hold on.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm pregnant! Fuck!
Stop! 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 Stop resisting! Stop! Stop! Stop resisting!
Let me
Stop!
Go.
I will tase your ass, so step the back.
Go!
Stop resisting!
There wasn't shit that said don't enter. Y'all just bored as fuck and I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting!
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop in the
Hey, listen.
Stop resisting!
Sit in your fucking face.
Do not.
I don't give a fuck.
Stay back.
No.
47,
I'll tease you
47.
too.
Let me down. Let me go.
You guys are on a unit.
Yep. I call the 45. Stop! Stop! Stop resisting! Stop!
Let go of my leg. I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting! Stop!
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting!
Let go of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop!
Stop kicking him.
Let go of my leg. Let go of my fucking leg. I can walk.
Stop!
Hey, you guys are
Stop.
pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go of
Stop.
my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop!
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can fucking walk.
Wait.
47, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let
checked
go
out.
of my
We need at least 2
arm.
more
Let
minutes.
go of my arm.
Stop!
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on y'all,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery on law enforcement officer. Stop!
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop! You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop!
Let go of me.
Stop! You caused all these problems for no reason.
You did. You
Stop.
did.
Calm
You
down.
did.
No.
Y'all hurt my stomach. I'm pregnant. Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop resisting
I
that.
promise y'all I'm
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me
Stop.
go.
You're not trying to spit in my face.
You let me
Spit in
go.
my face.
I
No.
don't give a fuck. I
Stop.
feel all of you bitches. Let me go.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. Didn't want to comply to the orders.
I don't care. I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude
I
like
don't
that.
care.
Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you
because I
are.
have somewhere to fucking
No,
be.
you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop pushing.
Let her
Okay, let go of me. You hurt my stomach.
Get
I'm telling you multiple times. Damn. Y'all hurting my stomach and y'all not fucking listening. Let me get my shoe. You sit broke.
Get on the other side, forward
Nope.
cross.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
You see,
Stop. Stop. If you know you're pregnant, stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid. Let me go. Let me go.
I'm going to show you.
Let me go.
Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, officers have full authority to order compliance during a lawful stop. Refusing is not a constitutional right. It's obstruction. Florida Statute 843.02. The courtroom exists for a reason. Fight the stop there, not here.
Back the car. No 44.
Someone has a hop.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go.
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
For golf for 8. One to 10.
Simple traffic stop.
That's 24 hours. 45. What's the location?
Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting. I don't, you got nothing better to do. Blah, blah, blah. She's threatening. Yeah. We're going to tow that car.
I have to be at my doctor's appointment.
Well, then you should have thought about that before you got that
I
attitude.
didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
Didn't do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on and everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
No, it doesn't say that. It said that nowhere.
Yeah, it does.
No, it did not. I
Yes, it
made a
doesn't.
U-turn. I made a U-turn.
No, you didn't, man, because I saw you. I saw you from where I was at. That's why I pulled you over.
Right there.
No, you didn't.
What did I do then?
You crossed through the median. You went through the lane that you're not supposed to.
What lane did I not
Wait.
You came out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead.
I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be here.
If you don't stop acting, you're gonna be rip hobbled.
I just literally made a U-turn.
You didn't make a U-turn. You did not make a U-turn, ma'am.
I made a U-turn and the light right there.
No, you didn't, man. I saw you cut
Yes, I
straight out of
did.
Metro Place.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. You came out of Metro Place.
I made a left at that light.
No, you did not. I saw you.
The light right there.
No, you did not.
And I made a U-turn because I was coming here.
I saw you come out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. And you know what? And had you not had the attitude, we wouldn't be here.
I made a U-turn right there to make come here. I did not come from Metro Place. I came from literally different.
I get somebody to pick up the car.
Let me call the number on emergency contact.
No, I think I have somebody.
Where's that?
Right
Where's
this
that?
close. That's all.
Is she it?
She can have somebody come pick it up.
And she has a valid. Go ahead and grab her 1014 as well as try to grab hers. She doesn't have a valid DL.
If she's willing to let this lady park the car and lock it up, we'll do that. And we'll have the keys sent up to the jail for her.
You people are so fucking stupid. I did not come out of the fucking Metro Place.
Yes, you
I
did.
didn't fucking live there. Fuck.
I saw you come out of there.
No, I did not. You
Yes, I
took the
did.
fucking wrong car.
No, I saw you.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
I turned. I live in Timberleaf.
Okay, but I saw you
don't
come out of
live
Metro
there.
Place. All right.
That's where I
Well,
came from.
not only did I see you come out, you don't have a valid driver's license.
I have one.
You told me you
I
didn't.
have one. I have it on my phone. I don't have it with me. I'm in a restaurant to my
Well,
appointment.
then all you had to do
and I
was
don't have it.
all you had to do-
I have it on my phone.
all you had to do all you had to do was comply.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
All you
I
had-
know I did it.
Yeah, you threatened to spit in an officer's face and you fought with resistance. Are you gonna give me your information? Are you gonna give me your information?
SEND1.
I just went to a fight, dude. Look.
Yep.
It's a traffic stop. All you had to do was give me your ID. She got the attitude.
You gotta calm down, okay? I understand that you're scared, but listen, it's okay, because you're doing too late. You're doing wrong. Let me call your mama to come get your car, okay?
Could you do me a supplement as to, because I'm going to charge you resisting with violence.
Miss Cindy, can she park your car anywhere in here? And then we'll work on that later. Hold on. Can we just have your ID?
Nobody's available but my boyfriend.
Yeah, he told him when he gave him the order, he was like, you ain't gonna do shit.
Okay, with all
Hey, we can put the car in the parking space.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it.
Okay.
Is it okay if I'm on your car? Okay. What's your well? I'll call you up in a minute for you, okay?
Thank you.
She claimed pregnancy repeatedly. That matters legally. IACP guidelines require officers to minimize abdominal contact once a pregnancy is disclosed. Ignoring it isn't just bad practice. Under 42 U.S. SAW 9C, Section 1983, its potential federal civil liability.
I'm the arresting officer.
Please.
It's all right.
Can I talk to him? I don't want to talk
Are you
to
done
him.
here, ma'am?
Please.
Are you done?
You gotta calm down.
I know.
But I want to talk to him.
She's getting booked in the Jane Doe.
Just wait.
I'm not gonna. She wants to fight and say she's gonna spit on officers. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're not doing this. I pulled you over on a valid traffic stop. You want to start this? She hit you? Okay, cause I got a. She tried kicking me. All right, so it's gonna do resisting with violence.
See,
All right, you gonna do a separate charging affidavit? That's fine. Same case number? Okay.
All right, you're good to go.
Yeah. Tino, the 1014 you have? Do you require medical assistance?
She threatened to spit on officers. Under Florida statute 784.011, that is not just offensive, it is assault. A verbal threat, with apparent ability to carry it out, is chargeable. Directed at law enforcement, it becomes a felony under section 784.07. Words carry charges. 3 felonies: battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, assault on a law enforcement officer, up to 5 years each under Florida statutes 784.07 and 843.01. None of these existed when the officer first knocked on her window. She created every single one. Officer, B-. Lawful stop, justified force, but punitive language and unanswered questions about technique during a pregnancy disclosure cost the grade. Subject, D. Every charge was self-created. Orlando PD. B. Protocols worked. De-escalation training and pregnancy-sensitive force technique are the gaps. If there's an interaction or legal topic you want broken down, drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more.